Hi students, very good morning to all and once again Happy New Year. Okay, tomorrow we are going to write the Max Half-Yearly exam and your portion is lesson 1 and lesson 2. Okay va? Now today we shall start the revision ma? Okay. In lesson 1, first topic is 2D shapes. Okay va? How many 2D shapes are there? Square, rectangle, triangle, circle. Okay, the first one is square. How to draw the square ma? One flat line, straight line, flat line and again straight line. Square is one of the closed shape. Okay va? This is a closed shape. Okay, in square how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and how many corner? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corner. In square having 4 sides, 4 corner. And all the sides are equal. Okay va? The next one is rectangle. Okay va? How to draw the rectangle ma? Okay, this is the rectangle. Okay va? Two long flat line and then short straight line. Okay va? Two flat line, two straight line. Okay, this is the rectangle. In rectangle how many sides ma? 1, 2, 3, 4. In rectangle also 4 sides. And how many corner? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corner. Okay, in square all the sides are equally having. But in rectangle? No, only opposite sides only equal. So, in rectangle opposite sides are equal. Okay va? The third shape is triangle. 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 Okay, triangle looks like very good. Samosa. Okay, this is the triangle. It looks like samosa. Okay va? In triangle how many sides ma? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides. And how many corner? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides, 3 corner. In triangle how many sides? 3 sides, 3 corner. Okay Vama. The next one is the last 2D shape is circle. Circle means you just draw a round. Okay va? Just draw one round ma. In circle that how many sides? No sides. In circle they are having no sides, no corner. Because it is a curve. Curve irka. So curve irundha sides corner varadu. Okay va? In circle no sides, no corner. It is a closed curve. All the sides closely having so this is a closed curve. Okay, understand That's all ma 2D shapes. The next topic is draw the types of lines. Okay va? There are 4 types of lines ma. They are horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line, curved line. Okay. The first one, horizontal line. How to draw the horizontal line ma? Horizontal line means nothing. Just draw one flat line. Flat line. That means sleeping line is a horizontal line. Okay, next one, vertical line. V-E-R-T-I-C-A-L. Vertical line. Vertical line means straight line. Okay, vertical line means straight line. Now, next one is slanting line. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G. Slanting line. S-L-A-N-T-I-N-G. Slanting line. Slanting line means you just draw a cross line. A cross line is a slanting line. Okay, next one is curved line. Curved line means bending line. This is a curved line. Okay, first one is horizontal line, vertical line, slanting line, The last one is curved line. Okay, Vama? Okay, and then the next topic is open shapes and closed shapes. Okay, first we see the closed shape. What is mean by closed shape, ma? Yes, all the 2D shapes and all closed shape. ஓகேவா எல்லா 2D ஷேப்ஸும் க்ளோஸில் இருக்கா ஸோ எல்லா 2D ஷேப்ஸும் நம்ம என்னது க்ளோஸ்டு ஷேப்ஸ் ஓகே ஜஸ்ட் ட்ரா ஆல் த ஷேப்ஸ் தட் மீன்ஸ் ஸ்கொயர் okay all the shapes and all closed shape that means square rectangle triangle circle all the 2D shapes is closed shape okay understand amma because all the sides closely having isn't it no okay now what is mean by open shape open shape means nothing ma you just leave some space this like okay va this is a open shape here having a space this is a open shape okay this like you want to leave a space this is a open shapes understand amma okay that's all the first lesson is over now the second lesson in first lesson there are 3 topics ma first one is 2D shapes okay va you practice how to draw the 2D shapes okay va and then the properties 4 sides 4 corner all sides are equal in rectangle 4 sides 4 corner only opposite sides are equal same like that for triangle and circle the next one is types of lines there are 4 types and the third topic is open shape and closed shape that's all the first lesson is over now lesson 2 circle the biggest numbers okay va biggest means yes பெரிய number okay va the first question look at the first line 72 96 20 80 they are giving 2-digit number so 2-digit number means you want to underline the first digit 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 எல்லாத்துலேயும் 2 digit இருக்கா ஸோ இது எல்லாமே 2 digitனு சொல்லுவாங்க ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அண்டர்லைன் த ஃபர்ஸ்ட் digit ஃபார் ஆல் த நம்பர் திஸ் லைக் 7 9 2 8 okay underline it just you see the first digit ma 7 9 2 8 which is the biggest number in the number 1 2 3 which number come last 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9 the last level da so 9 the biggest number so 9 biggest number na 96 in the biggest number da so 96 is the biggest number so put the circle for 96 understand like the same way second question first underline the first digit 1 2 3 7 so 1 2 3 7 which number come last ma very good 7 1 2 3 la 7 da last varum illaya so 7 is the biggest number so underline the number circle the number 79 understand this is the way to circle the biggest number the next one is circle the smallest number na chinna number okay va like the same way you want to underline the first digit for all the number 8 2 1 5 biggest number க்கு என்ன பண்ணோம் லாஸ்ட் எது வருதோ அதை சர்க்கிள் பண்ணோமா ஸ்மாலஸ்ட் நம்பர்னா ஃபஸ்ட் நம்பர் 1 2 3ல எது ஃபஸ்ட் வருதோ அதை தான் சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டாமா ஓகே 8 2 1 5 which number come first very good 1 தான் ஃபஸ்ட் வருதா ஸோ 13 is the smallest number so put the circle for 13 understand next second question 9 4 3 2 9 4 3 2 which number come first in 1 2 3 2 very good so 27 is the smallest number so put the circle Understand amma? Biggest number means for biggest and smallest number you want to see only the first digit. Okay va? First underline the first digit. Biggest number means you want to circle the last number. That means 1 2 3 la. In the order 1 2 3 which number come last, that is the biggest number. For smallest number, like the same way you want to underline the first digit for all the number, then after say the 1 2 3. Okay, say the numbers. In the numbers, which number come first? That is the smallest number. Okay va? Okay. Now match the equal number. Look at the first question ma. Here giving the number 96 and they are giving 3 options. Okay va? The first option is 41, 87, 96. Okay va? Equal means nothing ma, same. Equal means same number. We want to match the same number. Okay va? Here having 96 in this 3 box, where having 96 ma? Very good, the last box. So just match it. 96, 96. Just draw the line. That's all. Okay, equal means same. Equal number means what ma? Same number. 96, 96. Like the same way, second question ma. 21. Here giving the 3 box. In the first box they are giving 57. Second box 21. Third box 41. Where is the same number having? Very good. Second box 21, 21. So put the line. Understand amma? This is the match. This is the match the equal number. Okay. Now the next topic is arrange in alphabetical order. What does mean by alphabetical order? Alphabet means nothing ma. That is A, B, C, D, E, F. That like. Okay va? A, B, C, D இருக்குல்லைங்களா English letters. English letter தான் alphabetical அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Okay va? Down below they are giving many words. Doll, egg, fan, apple, cap, box. Okay. They are giving a many word no. First underline the first letter for all the words. D, E, F, A, C, B. Okay va? First underline the first letter for all the words. Then after they are giving a dash no. In each and every dash first like the write the alphabetical order. First letter what ma? A va? So first write A. Then after B. Then after C. Then after D. Next E. Finally E after F. Okay va? First write the A, B's English letters A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, they are giving how many dash? According to the dash, you want to write the letters. Okay va? The first number A va? Where the A having here so write apple in the first dash. The second dash B where the underlined word B having here. So B for box so write box. Next C. Where the underlined word C having here. So C-A-P, cap. Understood amma? Next D. Where is the underlined word D having here. So D-O-L-L, doll. D-O-L-L, doll. Next E. E here having so E-G-G, egg. Next F. Where is the letter F having here. So F-A-N, fan. Understand? Okay. First, each and every dash first letter write the alphabetical order. That means English letters A, B, C, D. Okay va? Then after underline the first letter for each and every word. Then after take and write the particular spelling. Okay va ma? This is the arranging alphabetical order. Then formation of 2-digit number. First question is 3, 1. Here giving two numbers, ma. Using this two number, we want to form the two-digit number. How many two-digit number? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different two-digit number we want to form. Okay, va? Okay, ma. First one, 3, 1, na. This is very simple, ma. First, you write the first number and second number in the first dash. 3, 1. First number, second number. In the second dash, write second number and first number. Second number 1, first number 3. 1, 3, 13. Okay, va? First dash la first number, second number. Second dash la second number, then after write the first number. Just exchange the two numbers. Okay, third dash. Write 2 times the first number. 3, yeah, first number. So write 2 times. 3, 3. Okay, in last dash, write the second number 2 times. 1, 1. That is 11. Understand that this is the way to form the two-digit number. Okay, va? First write the first number and second number. Then second number and first number. In third dash, write first number 2 times. Last dash la second number 2 times. Okay, va? Like the same way, 6, 2. First number, second number. 6, 2. Next, second number, first number. Second number 2. First number 6. In third dash, you want to write the first number 2 times. First number 6, so 6, 6, 66. In last dash, second number 2 times. That means 2, 2 times. 2, 2, 22. Understand, Amma? This is the formation of two-digit number. Okay. Now, the next topic is addition. Addition means add. Okay. This is the symbol of addition. Plus. What is the symbol of addition, ma? Symbol of addition is plus. This is the symbol of addition. Okay, va? Now, look at the first sum. Ones, tens. 22 plus 53. 22 plus 53. First, we want to add the ones. Want to add the number in ones place. First number 2. 2 in a mind. Down 3. 3 in a finger. Okay, va? 2 in a mind. 3 in a finger. 2 after. 3, 4, 5. What is the answer, ma? 5. Okay, va? Now, like the same way, you want to add the numbers in tens place. Okay, va? 2 in a mind, 5 in a finger. 2 in a mind, 5 in a finger. 2 after. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many, ma? 7. Now, the answer is 75. Okay, va? Now the next sum, 42 plus 27. Okay, va? Like the same way, first we want to add the number in ones place. Okay, va? The last number is ones and the before number is tens. Okay, va? 7 in a mind, எப்படி வேணாலும் நம்ம மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கலாம். நம்ம எப்போவுமே பிக்கஸ்ட் நம்பர் மைண்டில் வச்சுக்கலாம். ஓகேவா? 7 in a mind, 2 in a finger, 7 after, 8, 9. What, ma? 7 after, you want to say 2 number. That means 8, 9. ஓகேவா? 9. Now, 4 in a mind, 2 in a finger, 4 after, 5, 6. How many, ma? Very good. 6. The answer is 69. Okay, va? Now the third question. 60 plus 30. In ones place they are giving 0, 0. 0 plus 0. Very good. 0. 0 means nothing. So 0 only answer. Now 6 tens place. 6 in a mind. 3 in a finger. 6 after 7, 8, 9. How many ma? 9. The answer is 90. Okay va? 0 plus 0, 0 only come. Okay va? Now the next sum, 15. 15 plus 40. Okay va? Now add the ones place. 5 plus 0. Okay. In before sum they are giving 2 0. So 0 plus 0 we are simply write 0. But in this sum 5 plus 0 they are giving. Okay va? When a 0 is added with any number, it gives the same number. 0 ஓட எந்த நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணாலும் 0 இல்லாமல் இன்னொரு நம்பர் இருக்குல்ல அதுதான் ஆன்சர். ஓகேவா? 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 0, very good, 4. 14 plus 0, very good, 14. அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டா? 0 இல்லாமல் இன்னொரு நம்பர் இருக்கு இல்லையா அதுதான் ஆன்சர். ஓகேவா? பிகாஸ் 0 ஹேஸ் நோ வேல்யூ. ஓகே, ஸோ 5 plus 0, 5. Now, tens place 1 plus 4. 1 in a mind, 4 in a finger. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the answer, ma? 5. The answer is 55. This is the addition. Understood, ma? Okay. The symbol of addition is plus. Okay, next. Next, we are going to revise the number name. Okay, va? Now, 1. O-N-E 1. O-N-E 1. T-W-O 2. T-W-O 2. T-H-R-E-E 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. F-O-U-R 4. F-O-U-R 4. F-I-V-E 5. F-I-V-E 5. You want to read the number name for up to 1 to 100. Okay, 1 to 100 you want to read the number name. Okay, Vama. Next, SIX6. SIX6. SEVEN 7. SEVEN 7. EIGHT 8. EIGHT 8. NINE 9. NINE 9. TEN 10. TEN 10. Okay, next 11. ELEVEN 11. ELEVEN 11. TWELVE 12. TWELVE 12. THIRTEN 13. From 13 to 19, TEEN. This is common for all the spelling. Okay, TEEN. TEEN. From 13 to 19, TEEN. This is common for all the numbers. Okay, 13 means THIRTEN 13. 14 now. What is the 4 spelling? FOUR 4. Then you want to write TEEN 14. Okay, next 15. 15 means FIF. FIF TEEN 15. FIF TEEN 15. Next 16. Now what is the 6 spelling, ma? SIX6. Okay, SIX6 TEEN 16. The next one is 17. What is the 7 spelling? SEVEN 7. TEEN 17. Next 18. What is 8 spelling? E-I-G-H-T, 8. In 8 itself T having a, so just write E-E-N. Okay va? E-I-G-H-T, 8, E-E-N, 18. Now 19. What is the 9 spelling? N-I-N-E, nine, T-E-E-N, 19. Okay, now the next one is 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. Okay, this is the number name 1 to 20. First, read well this up to 20. Then after 20, after 21, you already know the spelling for 20. Isn't it? No. So 21 means you want to write the 20 and 1 spelling. 21. Okay, va? 21. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. O-N-E, 1, 21. Suppose 22 they are asking means 20 spelling and 2 spelling. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. T-W-O-2, 22. Okay. Next 23, So 20 spelling and 3 spelling. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. T-H-R-E-E, 3, 23. Okay, next 24 means same like that. You want to first write 20 spelling. T-W-E-N-T-Y, 20. F-O-U-R, 4, 24. Okay, Vama. Next 25, 20 spelling and 5 spelling. Same like that up to the number for 29. 20 எழுதி 9 spelling எழுது. Next 29 after 30, 30, 30. What is 30 spelling? T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. Okay, va? Next 30 after 31, so 30 spelling and 1 spelling. Okay, va? 31 spelling what, ma? T-H-I-R-T-Y, 30. O-N-E, 1, 31. Okay. Next 32 spelling, 30 spelling and then write 2 spelling. Okay, va? Same like that you want to write the 39 up to the number 39 varayum 30 spelling எழுதி ONE spelling நம்ம ஆல்ரெடி படிச்சிருக்கோமா? ஸோ 39 வரை எழுதிக்கலாம். 39 after 40, What is this 40 spelling? F-O-R-T-Y, 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. Okay, 40 after, what is the next number? 41. So 41. 40 spelling and 1 spelling. Next 42, 40 spelling, 2 spelling. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. T-W-O-2, 42. Okay, you just write both spelling. Okay, next 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Okay, 48, 49. Okay, next 49 after 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. 50 after, like the same way you want to write 51, 50 spelling, 1 spelling. Next 52, 50 spelling and then 2 spelling. 53 means 50 spelling, 3 spelling. Suppose you say the number name for 55. F-I-F-T-Y, 50. F-I-V-E, 5, 55. Understand, Amma? Up to, you know how to write 59. 59 வரை எழுதிக்கலாம் இதே மாதிரி 59 வரை. Next, what is the next number of 59? Very good, 60. What is the 60 spelling? S-I-X-T-Y, 60. S-I-X-T-Y, 60. Okay, 60, Next 60 after 61. 60 spelling and then you want to write the one spelling. Okay va? SIXTY 60 ONE1 61. Next 62 spelling. SIXTY 60 TWO2 62. அதே மாதிரி 69 வரை எழுதிடுவீங்களா? Like the same way you want to write for all. Next 69 up to you know how to write, isn't it? No. Next 69 after 70. What is the 70 spelling? SEVN 7TY 70. Okay. In before page you add TEEN. So இதுக்கெல்லாம் எப்படி எழுதணும்? Just you add TY for all the word. TY 30 40 50 60 70 80 90 இது எல்லாத்துக்குமே லாஸ்ட்டில் TY வரும். ஓகேவா? Now 70 SEVN 7 TY 70. Then after 80 EIGHT 8 Y 80. ஓகேவா? Next NINE 9 TY 90. Next 90 after 91 92 93 94 90 spelling and 5 spelling for 95. Next 96 97 98 99. After 99, very good, 100. What is the 100 spelling? HUNDRED 100. What ma? HUNDRED 100. Okay va? You want to read up to 100. Then after, the next topic is ascending order. Ascending order means they are giving more than 2 numbers. Okay va? More than 2 numbers in question for they are giving ma. You want to arrange in ascending order means small to big. Small number to big number you want to arrange. Okay va ma? Like the same way big number small number க்கு எப்படி first digit மட்டும் underline பண்ணோம் இல்லையா? Like the same way you want to underline the first digit for all the number. 9 7 7 2 5. Okay va? First underline the first digit. Then after we want to point out the first smallest number. Okay, which is the smallest number? 9 7 7 2 5. Underline பண்ணியிருக்கிற வேர்டில் எது smallest number? Very good. 2 So that means 20 is the first smallest number. If you wrote the number means just strike out it. Okay va? Then after look at the first digit 9 7 7 5. In this 4 number which is a big smallest number? Very good, 5. 5 the smallest number. So 53. If you wrote it means strike out it. Then after 9 7 7. 9 7 which is the smallest number? Very good, 7. But here giving 2 7. 2 times the 7 is giving So இப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா look at the second number ma. 2 5. 2 5 which is the smallest number? Very good, 2. So write the number 72. இது எழுதிட்டு அடுத்த என்ன நம்பர் வரும்? 75. Then finally only one number having so write in last dash 96. So this is the ascending order. Okay va? Small to biggest number. Okay va? Understand ma? Now the next topic is descending order. Descending order means biggest to smallest number. Big to small number. Okay va? Like the same way first underline the smallest first digit. 6 3 4 9 5. First digit underline it. Then after we want to write what number? Big number. 6 3 4 9 5. Which is the biggest number? Very good. 90. Nayana. So write 98. If you write means strike out it. Okay, then after, look at the remaining number. 6, 3, 5, 6, 3, 4, 5. Which is the biggest number? Very good, 6. So write 67 here. Next dash. 67. Then after, remaining 3 numbers having 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. Which is the biggest number? Very good, 5. So write 5, 0, 50. Then after, remaining only 2 numbers are. So 3, 4. 3 or 4 which is the biggest number? Very good, 4. So 43 in next dash. Then finally only one number having so that number write in last dash. 32. Understand, Amma? Ascending order means small to big. Descending order means big to small. Okay, Amma? Okay, that's all. Second lesson also over, ma. You just recall and prepare all the topics and write the home test. Understand? Okay, ma. Thank you.